Hello Kuwait and Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. And po, welcome ulit dito sa ating live update. Kasama niyo muli, Miss Lee, dito sa ICSA. So, yan, nananamak sa Zante once na naka-live na tayo ngayon and may hawak-hawak na DHL parcel from, from Qualify UK sa ating partner awarding body in UK. So, may itinit pa to. We just came kaninang umaga. So, congratulations sa ating mga amazing UK diploma graduates. So, alam na nila yan kapag may DHL coming from UK, is credential na yung laman neto. So, ayan sa mga graduates natin, ito na ang yung sign na ayun, malapit nang maabot yung ating mga pangarap, especially dito sa first step na i-earn yung ating UK recognized diploma. Ito yung tinatawag natin internationally recognized diploma. So, ayan, kita nyo, sealed na sealed pa yan sa ating partner courier, which is yung DHL. So, buksan natin ngayon, no, kung sino-sino tong mga graduates na dumating na yung kanilang credential. Ayan. So, hopefully naririnig ako, no? So, ayan. So, nga sabi nila, no, success is not given, it is earned. So, itong lahat ng mga credentials and even mga certificates training ng ating mga estudyante, lahat ito is kanilang pinaghirapan. They have, may mga sleepless nights, yung mga, pagod, galing trabaho, at the same time, pinagsasabay yung pag-aaral, is ito na, yung kumbaga proof of achievement nila, na natapos nila yung course nila in spite of lahat ng struggles habang nagtatrabaho abroad, is kinaya nilang mag-aral, mag-upgrade ng sarili, earn their diploma na hindi nila nakuha habang sa Pilipinas. Okay? So yan, isa-isahin na natin kasi masyadong marami. Move na natin muna. Hopefully naririnig po ako, no? So congratulations. Hindi ko na, papahabain pa yung oras. Diretso na. Congratulations to Mr. Polly M. Cahansa. You have been awarded the Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, ayan po, no? So, sa mga nagtatanong, legit ba ang diploma dito sa ICSA? Yes na yes po. Kasi itong mga diploma na to, nakarating na to sa iba't ibang bansa, napag-applyan na rin ng trabaho sa iba't ibang bansa, and they have successfully, secured their employment na rin. Okay, so, basta itong credential natin na with academic units is talagang internationally recognized kahit sa mga bansa. So, yung mga graduates na tayo, nagtatrabaho sa iba't ibang bansa, kahit dito sa Kuwait, sa UK, sa Canada, so marami. So, yan po. Congratulations to Mr. Polly. Congratulations also to Miss Dana Imogen Hostelero Yao. So, you have been awarded Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, yan po. Congratulations. Congratulations also to Miss Anne Njuke Wambui. So, correct me if I'm wrong, if I have wrongly pronounced your name. So, yan, congratulations to Miss Anne. You have been awarded a Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, our courses here, especially the UK Diploma, is open to any nationalities. Not only for Filipinos, it's open to everyone. So, Miss Anne, congratulations. Congratulations also to Mr. Mozamil Sarwar Ishak. You have been awarded Level 4 Diploma in Information Technology. So, we have different majors here in our UK Diploma program. So, isa sa mga in-demand is yung ating Diploma in Health and Social Care, tinatawag nating Caregiver course. Ang isa naman is yung ating Diploma in Information Technology, lalo na sa new normal na ngayon, no? Which is dominated na ng technology, online platforms for businesses. So, talagang yung mga IT specialists is in demand din. Especially lahat ng mga business ngayon, yun nga sabi ko, is top up na to online platform. So, kailangan talaga nila ng mga IT experts and specialists. Yun, congratulations also to Miss Rowena C. Vertudes. You have been awarded Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, congratulations also to Mr. Dante V. Vinos. Okay, so si Sir Dante naman is nagtapos ng UK Diploma, Level 4 in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Miss Ana Michelle C. Gamayo. You have been awarded Diploma in Health and Social Care. So si Miss Ana is nasa Canada siya ngayon. So kahit nasa Canada is nag-aral sila ng diploma because isa sa mga requirements doon, especially sa application ng PR, is nire-require sila certain units na kailangan nilang isubmit sa credential and even evaluation for equivalency of their credential to Canadian curriculum. So ito, napaprocess ito for West evaluation and ECA evaluation. So yan po, kaya nag-take siya ng course na to. And congratulations also to Mr. Sufyan Yusfe. You have been awarded a Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Okay? Congratulations also to Mr. Shashawar Khan. You have been awarded Level 3 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, si Mr. Shashawar is also taking Level 4. So, yan. Sa mga kababayan natin na gustong i-complete yung bachelor degree nila under UK program, so, especially sa mga undergrad ng high school, there's still a chance pa na magkaroon kayo ng diploma to have your diploma dito sa ICES. So, available yung ating level 3 diploma. So, kasi may mga ibang estudyante tayo kababayan na nag-worry na pwede ba akong makakuha ng diploma even though hindi ko natapos yung high school ko sa Pilipinas. Yes, pwede. Kasi yung UK program is meron siyang level 3 which is equivalent to senior high school graduate which is pwede kayo doon. Okay, so siya is nag-take siya ng level 3 and then nag-move up na siya ngayon to level 4 which is equivalent to first year college. Ayan. Congratulations also to Miss Salvacion H. Redana. You have been awarded the Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Business Management. Kung yung forte nyo naman is in line sa field ng business, so meron din tayong Business Management course. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Ma'am Teresa Joaida E. Galvan. You have been awarded Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Si Ma'am Teresa, no, isa siya sa proof din ng Papa FW natin na hindi nawalan ng pag-asa na mag-aral to improve themselves kasi siya naka-enroll siya ng not one course pero naka-enroll siya ng more than 2 or 3 courses na ngayon na tinitake niya. So ayan, congratulations. Nakatapos na siya ng Health and Social Care Diploma. Tapos na rin siya ng Caregiver Practical Training. And then, graduate rin siya ng Computer Secretarial course and currently taking ng Social Media Advertisement. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Ma'am Edina M. Cercado. You have been awarded a Qualified Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, ayan. Congratulations also to Ma'am Flor Deliza V. Entrolizo. You have been awarded the Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So, kung makita nyo marami yung Health and Social Care course graduates natin or Caregiver course kasi nga, yun ang pinaka-in-demand. Especially sa mga European countries, kahit dito sa Kuwait, in-demand din siya kasi may mga graduates din tayo nagtatrabaho na sa Kuwait Hospital. So, tunay na tunay nga itong credential nila, it is recognized anywhere. Okay? So, yan, congratulations also to Ma'am Mary Chris G. Ocular. Si Ma'am Mary ata nasa Oman. So ayan. So ang ating courses, it's available worldwide. So ayan, kung nasa Kuwait kayo, pwede kahit saan. Kahit nga sa Canada, meron tayong mga estudyante. So ayan, congratulations also to Ma'am Mary. Congratulations to Ma'am Shirley M. Baroga. You have been awarded the Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So yun po. Congratulations also to Ma'am Christina R. Basadre, also graduated with Diploma Level 4 in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Ma'am Marivic Leones Pedralbes. So you have been awarded also the Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. So mga ito is fresh na fresh pa galing UK. So sa mga estudyante natin na yun, graduate natin na, kung na-congratulate natin ngayon, so I'll be sending you a message also regarding sa authentication preference ninyo. Kasi ito, sa mga estudyante natin na especially na mag-apply ng trabaho dito sa Kuwait, kailangan naka-apostille and then naka-embassy stamp siya from London. Okay, so yan, sa mga estudyante natin gusto i-avail doon, we will be sending it back to UK for government stamping naman. Okay, so congratulations also to Ma'am Naima Bonga Sibayan. So you have awarded Level 4 Diploma in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Ma'am Marites Apilada de Vera. You have been awarded Diploma in Health and Social Care also. Congratulations also to Mr. Aljan de Los Santos Tiksay. You have been awarded Diploma Level 4 in Health and Social Care. Congratulations also to Mr. Roy Abud. You have been awarded the Qualified Level 4 Diploma in Accounting and Finance. So, sa mga estudyante naman natin or mga kababayan na gusto naman tahakin yung field ng Accounting and Finance, sa rin to sa mga, malaki yung earnings in terms of, employment. So, maganda din yung ating Accounting and Finance. Congratulations also to Miss April Pearl Payod Salada. You have been awarded the Diploma in Health and Social Care Diploma. So yan, congratulations also to Ma'am Aurora Ricana Capitle. You have been awarded Diploma Level 3 in Health and Social Care. So yan, congratulations. So kasama yan, yung kanilang, kanilang credit certificate or tinatawag natin sa Pilipinas na transcript of record. So, yung nagpapatunay na itong credential has academic unit kasi nga, meron siyang transcript. Okay? Okay, transcript of record, meron siyang unit number, meron siyang unit title or tinatawag natin descriptive title sa atin naman sa Pilipinas, sa college. Merong levels, credits, and grades. So, yan. Congratulations, Mr. Polly. Lahat ng grades niya is merit. Diba? Mataas. So, congratulations sa ating mga graduates ng UK Diploma. So, kung ang pangalan niyo po is natawag sa mga estudyante natin, kindly communicate with me regarding with your plan sa authentication process. Okay? Kasi lalo na kung yung pag-a-applyan nyo ng trabaho requires you with authentication or attachment sa likod, na yun, kailangan which is required sa government stamping naman. Okay, so congratulations sa ating mga UK Diploma graduates. So, yun, we are so proud of you and tuloy-tuloy lang na mas marami pang opportunities na darating sa inyo. So, it's just a first step of achieving your dreams. I know na hindi madali, actually, yung pag-aaral. Mayroong nagsasabi, madali ba yung pag-aaral? Hindi naman talaga madali. Sino bang nagsasabi na madali yung pag-aaral? Hindi. Basta kasabi nila na pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. So kapag gusto nyo isang bagay, masarap sa feeling talaga yung pinaghihirapan. Okay? So kung naghahanap kayo habang nasa abroad ngayon, lalo na sa mga kapwa FWs natin na natigas sa pag-aaral, pero pangarap na makapagtapos, magkaroon ng diploma, kasi apart from skills and experiences, ang hinahanap ngayon ng mga companies is documentations talaga. Document, credentials, na nagpapatunay with your expertise, specialty. So, kailangan ready tayo. Kasi nga ngayon is nag-evolve na yung mga requirements of the companies and countries. Nangahanap na sila apart from experiences, kailangan ng supporting document. So, isa doon yung educational certifications, certificate trainings, units, yun yung hinahanap ngayon. So, habang maaga, merong time, kahit konti lang yung time na yon, spend that time to improve yourself, enroll yourself to courses na mag-upgrade sa sarili natin. Kasi nga, yung opportunities, it's always there. Imposibleng walang opportunity. Ang kailangan nyong gawin is prepare yourself. So whatever na requirements na kakailanganin. Kung dream niyo job is into caregiving field, healthcare field, kailangan improve yourself na meron kang siyempre, ando na yung experience. Kailangan meron kang skills and yung certifications mo. Certifications, credentials, kasi may mga, may mga experiences talaga na sinishare ng mga estudyante natin na although nasa isang decade na sila sa field na yon, meron na silang napakahabang expertise doon, specialized na sila doon. Pero kulang sila sa document, kulang sila sa certifications, kulang sila sa diploma, which is yun ang hinahanap ng mga companies ngayon, especially for visa processing, especially for PR processing, permanent residency, lalo na sa mga Europe and especially sa Canada. So, naghahanap talaga sila ng certain academic unit. So, habang maaga kung yun yung path na gusto ninyo, enroll yourself, educate yourself, and then build your portfolio. Kailangan naka-build yun. Hindi basta-basta na andyan na yung opportunities, saka pa kayo gagalaw. Kasi yung oras, hindi lang basta-basta yung certificate. Kailangan nyo talaga siyang paghirapan, kailangan nyo siya talagang aralin. Okay? So, dito sa ICSA, kailangan aralin nyo talaga yung skills, aralin nyo yung course before receiving a certificate. Kasi nga, every certificate here, kailangan alam na mga estudyante yung kanilang ginagawa. Okay? So, hindi basta-basta nagbibigay ng certification si ICSA. So, yan po. Sunod dito. Tapos na tayo sa diploma from UK. Next naman is certifications, training dito sa ICSA. So, congratulations. That's, una, si Miss Floreza Serenio Cancamo. Congratulations. Siya naman is nagtapos sa Virtual Assistant Training Course. So, yan, bagong-bagong course natin ito, lalo na nga, in demand, lalo na sa mga online platform. Kasi lahat, di ba, nga na-mention natin, all the businesses are already in the online platform. So, kailangan nila ng tao na magtatrabaho sa kanila on online basis. Kasi lalo na in European, US countries, naghahanap sila ng virtual assistant. So, kaya open na open yung ating Sorry, Surgeon. Okay, sorry, Surgeon. So this one, I will just insert because some of them are in Filipino, so I will going to transfer English and Tagalog. So yes, Surgeon, congratulations. See you on your graduation day. So speaking of graduation, we have already a confirmed date for graduation. That would be on Friday, June 19, 2026, this coming month of June. So secured na ang date. So for more details of graduation, send me informations and check our ICSA alumni Facebook group. All those announcements for graduations are posted. So sa mga estudyante natin, please join the ICSA alumni Facebook group. In ICSA alumni Facebook group, you will going to have your opportunity there for the graduation, especially for job opportunities, because we are posting job opportunities in our ICSA alumni Facebook group. So for our students, not even graduates, but also students, it's not only for graduates. If you say alumni, it's for everyone or every student in ICSA. Even you are still a student, even you are graduated, you're still part of ICSA. So please join our ICSA alumni Facebook group. You will going to have what we call the job opportunities there. So job opportunities, job hiring will be posted there. Okay? So congratulations again, Miss Floreza. Miss Floreza is residing right now in Dubai, UAE. Congratulations also to Miss Anjing Sahul Esperet. You have also completed your virtual assistant training course. Congratulations also to Ma'am Pergy Romo. She completed also her caregiver practical training course. So apart from diploma that we have, ICSA also opening the practical training course. Okay? So for students, kababayan natin na gusto ng hands-on training sa caregiver, so open na open yung ating caregiver practical training course. Okay? For more details of the courses, we have there our contact number. You can send a message, say hi, and ask for the courses that we are offering that you are interested to. Okay? Congratulations also to Miss Elizabeth Sullivan. You have completed your caregiver practical training course. Congratulations also to Miss Berta Afe and Yonam Miadadzi. Okay, congratulations. So our students here is not only for Filipinos, it's open for everyone. Okay, so congratulations also to Mr. Muhammad Reskan Taher. He completed his training in AutoCAD 2D training course. If you want only a selected training skills you want, we can also arrange that. Okay, so we can customize the training according to your needs. You just have to send us a message on our WhatsApp numbers. Congratulations also to Mr. Kalensi Benjamin Mugisa. You have completed your Python programming training course. Congratulations also to Ms. Vanessa Jane Asgar Ginete. You have completed your computer secretarial training course. Yan. Congratulations also to Ms. Muhammad Ali for completing your Shopify e-commerce course. So, nakikita ninyo, we have different selection of courses here in ICES. It depends on your needs. It depends on the path you want to take, especially for either for self-development, employment in development, or portfolio development. Kasi nga, di ba, for working, even for creating your account for job application, you need to create your portfolio. So, in your portfolio, you are going to put there your skills, your professional trainings. So, kailangan niyo yan. Congratulations also to Mr. John Lawrence Aquino. You have completed your computer secretarial training course. Congratulations to Ms. Janice Tagalog. You have completed your computer secretarial training course also. Ito yung mga computer secretarial graduates natin. Congratulations also to Ma'am Raycan San Diego. Yan. Congratulations also to Ms. Cheryl Usoy from Saudi, I guess. Ayan, Ma'am Cheryl, congratulations. Congratulations also to Ma'am Lizelle Akula Pakaw. Ayan, from Saudi itong mga estudyante natin. Although sa Saudi sila, they're taking their classes online. So, ayan, sa mga talagang may mga gusto na improve yung sarili nila, kahit malayo man yan, but it is available online, kayang-kaya. So, ayan, congratulations, Ma'am Marites Umaga. Ayan, graduate din siya ng Computer Secretarial Training Course. Congratulations to Ma'am Annabel Berlon Vega. So, ayan. Congratulations po. Congratulations also to Ma'am Lolita Sumera. Ayan. Congratulations. Actually, si Ma'am, sinabay-sabay niya yung dalawang course. Computer Secretarial with, kasama yung, sinabay niya yung course ng Caregiver practical. So yan, congratulations also to Miss Fatima for completing your basic computer training. And Miss Pamia Harris. Hi po Ma'am Pamia, kung napanood niyo to, andito yung certificate niyo. Congratulations to Miss Christine Lorraine Habon. You have completed also your computer secretarial training. Oh, congratulations also to Miss Arizona Khan. Congratulations also to Miss Marivic Caden Rodriguez. Ayun. Congratulations also to Mr. Victor Joshua Velasquez for graphic designing course. Congratulations yun, si Ma'am Teresa Galvan. So yan, di ba? Congratulations for caregiver practical training course. She completed 3 courses. Ayun. Congratulations also to Sir Muhammad Ansari for AutoCAD 2D and 3D training. And congratulations also to Miss Meets Azurin Abuyot for English Enhancement Training Course. So, ayan sa mga kababayan natin and for those who want to improve their skills and upgrade. So, we have different courses here in ICSA. It depends on your requirements for job, for international applications. So, all courses are available. So, we have UK Diploma. We have also the practical training courses available here in ICSA. Okay? So, ayan, congratulations again. Hello po, Ma'am Antoinette. Ayan, move to Dubai na siya. Kamusta? Bilis na ng araw. Anong bilis na ng araw Andyan ka na. So, ayan, congratulations to our students. So, if you have seen your name here, your certifications here, it is ready to claim. For our UK Diploma students, please, if you want to have your credential for authentication, kindly message me in the admin so we could arrange the batch for the authentication process. So, ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga estudyante. Thank you, everyone. And, yun, sa mga graduating students natin, see you on June for the graduation. Details has been posted in ICSA Alumni. For more details and clarifications and questions, feel free to message me in the ICSA admin, +9659-767-4076. Alam niya na mga estudyante natin. So, yan. Kung meron kayong question, if you didn't get my number, can send a message here in our WhatsApp number, +965-930-2850. Kaya mag-comment kayo dito sa comment box below natin. So, yan. Maraming salamat ulit sa ating mga estudyante. Ongoing ngayon. So, nakita nyo, nakaya nilang tapusin yung kanilang course. So, whatever the challenges is, those are the challenges only to make us stronger. So, yung mga challenges na yan, take it as a stepping stone na maabot niyo yung pangarap ninyo. It makes you stronger nga, di ba? So, yun. Congratulations sa mga incoming graduates natin at sa mga current, kaya niyo yan. Go lang. Kasi nga, may next graduation naman tayo sa October. So, ayan. Maraming salamat. God bless you everyone and see you more sa ating live update kasama dito sa ICSA, Miss Lynn. So, sa mga inquiries or pwede kayong bumisita dito sa ating office. We're located in Panasonic Tower, 8th floor, Malia, Kuwait City. So, yan po, open tayo everyday, maliban Thursday from 9 o'clock until 7 p.m. So, maraming salamat and God bless you everyone. Bye-bye po.